I've heard some da'is say that if you are living in a kafir country, it is very difficult to find a 100% halal job, as you will almost always find some haram elements here and there. So they say that if a job is mostly halal and there are only small elements of haram, then it is negligible and the income is halal. And they give an example, such as a person, he stocks up shelves with food, and at times he may have to put some haram food, such as pork, but mostly he is placing halal food. So this group of sheikhs, they say that the haram is negligible and hence the income is halal. But then another group of sheikhs, they say that we should put our tawakkul on Allah, that He will provide us 100% halal job, even in this kafir country. So Sheikh, what is the correct approach in this specific situation?
Akhi, the general trend is that we Muslims have a red line that we cannot cross. So these group of da'is who say and claim that little elements of haram are permissible, this is too generic. And it has to be judged case by case to evaluate the amount of haram. When they say that it's permissible to put haram items on the shelf and to handle them, what would I do with the hadith of the Prophet ﷺ when he cursed 10 in intoxicants, wine, whiskey, etc. And among them, those who carry it, those who hold it. So when I'm placing them and stocking them on the shelves, wouldn't I be cursed by Allah? Definitely I would. So there is no compromise in such issues. When I sell it, when I'm working as a cashier, and 95% of what I sell is halal, 5% is haram. Lottery tickets, pork, intoxicants, beer, wine, whiskey, etc. So these group of scholars say that it's okay. It doesn't make your income haram. No, definitely this is unacceptable and not true.